Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to create a TikTok account. In here, I'll read to you a step-by-step process so you will be guided accordingly. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download the TikTok app. Once you're done, go to Step 2. Open the app on your phone and tap on the profile button. You'll find this button in the right-hand corner at the bottom of your screen. Step 3. Choose the most suitable method to sign up. You can sign up using your phone or email using your existing accounts, Facebook or Gmail. So now let's do the first step. Let's go to TikTok. Then let's click on Profile on the bottom right. For this example, we'll select the option to sign up using email. Keep in mind that you'll need to use your brand's official email to complete the sign up. This will create less confusion if you ever face login issues and need to recover your password. Now let's go to step number 4. Next, enter a password to use for your TikTok account. This should be secure but also memorable and closely associated with your brand so it's easy to remember. Then on step 5, you'll now have to select a username for your account. This step is crucial as this name will show up prominently at the very top of your TikTok's profile page. It also serves as your TikTok handle. This one over here. This means your username. On step number 6, since you're creating a brand account, you'll want to switch to business account. Go to your profile and then tap on the 3 dots button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Select the option to switch to business account and choose the right category for your business. Over at TikTok, it's over at profile. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines, go to settings and privacy. And then, this time, over at account, go to switch to business account. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.